welcome to Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, I've been doing a lot of salad over the last couple of days on my Juice Bar channel because I've been using my other channel at the moment to promote my other two channels. So today I have some leftover couscous and I want to make a simple salad with it for my fans. And so please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is just some leftover couscous and some salad which I have. I'm gonna make a simple salad. Hopefully you guys will like this recipe. Please subscribe, leave a comment in the description box, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. This is Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Amazing recipes, lovely ideas and things where you can make at home. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and please watch this simple video which I'm gonna make for you guys. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as I can see right here, this is my leftover couscous, and this recipe, or I made this recipe, is on my Chef Ricardo cooking show. The link is in the description box. If you go on that link, you can see I made my couscous with chickpeas. It's an amazing recipe, guys. So what I want to do is, I have some cucumber right here which I just sliced up, and I remove the skin from the cucumber. I'm gonna put some vegetable, some salad stuff inside of it, like cucumber. So this is just like a little bit of salad which I have left over, and I decided I don't want to just chuck it in the bin. You can always make something and bring it to work with me. All right, guys. So right here I have my cucumber. Nice one. That's the cucumber. Right over here I have some beetroot and olive and tomato and some more red onion. So we're gonna just pop this inside of it because I love beetroot. And it's gonna simple mix up everything like this, right? Then I'm gonna run through it now with some salad. But my salad which I'm gonna be put through, this is just some mixed leaf. I want to simple cut my salad again. This is some rocket, beetroot and watercress, and also spinach. All right. Next thing, you can simply put a little bit of dry chili. All right. If you like, also you can put a little bit of, where is my, okay, I can't find it. Where it is. All right, I was gonna crack a little bit of cracked peppers inside of it to bring in a little bit more flavor to it, but I don't know where I put it. But so leave that out of the way. If you have some pepper, you can put some pepper. So we're just gonna run this through the couscous. The leaves through the couscous. So if you have, like, you know what I mean, a nice little bowl, you can simply bring this to work. So what we're going to do now is simply scrape this out. Look at this. This is an amazing dish. Look at my couscous, guys. Not too dry and not too wet. So basically it's something like this you're looking for. You don't want to be doing something and it's too dry. You know what I mean? You want to get that nice lovely wet towards it. Special couscous, you cannot make couscous and it's too dry. It just doesn't taste right. So if you're making couscous at home, you need to watch my video and see the way I make this nice lovely couscous, and use the rest of my couscous to make a salad to bring to work. So that's amazing right here, guys, and you can do the same thing at work. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Simple recipe where you guys can make at home from Chef Ricardo on the team. So please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Watch more video as I see right here. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.